truly recommend STAD Solutions to anyone looking to grow into the software testing field. I am Santosh and I have 4 years of working experience as a manual tester at artisans e-commerce clouds. With new technologies coming up, I have felt the need to upgrade my skills, and after researching many institutes, I choose STAD Solutions, and honestly, it was my best decision. The trainer explained everything in a simple and easy way, explains with tools like the Selenium, Git, GitHub, STNG, and Jenkins, practical projects, and the flexible doubt sessions, which made learning smooth and stress-free. Now I feel confident to move into the automation testing, and I truly recommend STAD Solutions to anyone looking to grow into the software testing field.